Okay kayo, okay. Pati mga dalisan. Balik-balik para lang makatingog. Kaya aron ining eleksyon. This book shall be known as and cited as the Eagles Code of Laws of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated 1989. 1979 ta pero gi-amend magod ang atong bago. Gi-revise niya gi-amend sa 1989 pero it was started in 1979. Power vested in me as the Field Director for Visayas, I may declare this orientation seminar for CBR 10 and CBR 15 adjourned. Picture. Congratulations. Eagle Robert B. De La Sala. After having attended and completed the mandatory orientation seminar, Orients, as prescribed for new members of the duly organized Eagles Club and affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated, in witness whereof we hereunto affix our signatures this 4th day of August 2024 at Peacemaker Office, or di na lang, butang na Visayas ko man. Ilang, no? National President, signed, Ronald De Los Santos. Eagle, Joel P. Dagang, Executive Field Director, Eagle year 2024, and we hereby attest and certify Secretary General, Eagle year 2024, Eagle Alan Corpus, signed. Eagle Arnold V. De Asis, National Vice President for Visayas, Eagle year 2024, and signed Eagle Rinaldo D. Gabinete, Governor of Central Visayas Region 10. So, sir, congratulations.